Hello and welcome to Geordie Leather. In today's episode we're going to do a quick review of this little gadget here. Now this was sent to us by CPL, that's Creative Printers of London. We've worked with CPL on a number of occasions and we have reviewed some of their products before. You may remember the hot foil stamping machine and the die cutting machine, both excellent products supplied by CPL. This little device, it's called the CPL EZ Etching Press. It's designed for those of you who are artistic and like to produce prints. First of all, you cut the print into lino using a little lino cutting tool. You apply ink and put it through the press and it gives you a nice impression on the paper. I'll quickly do that to give you a demo, but then I'll show you how to use this in leatherwork. So we'll quickly do a lino print just to show you what the machine is actually designed for. So it comes with a board, put in the machine for the moment. I've had a little practice before because I say this is not really my sort of thing, but I thought I'd better practice first. So this is a piece of lino, which I'll show you the gizmos. So this is a piece of vinyl, lino. You use a little tool. This is a vinyl cutting tool. You carve out the pattern that you wish to carve out, which you wish to make a print from. I mean, here's an example of a leaf. This was made by somebody else because I'm not artistic, as I keep saying. So you basically put your carved piece of lino, vinyl, whatever you call it. You take a roller with some ink. This is water-based ink. And you just basically roll over the item you want to make a print from. Don't put too much ink on, otherwise you'll lose some of the fine detail. But even it out as best you can. And then we take a piece of paper, put it onto our board. Now it's a good idea just to use a bit of masking tape just to hold that paper in position while we print onto it, otherwise the rollers may move it. Like so. And then we're going to place the, this is water-based ink, so it washes off your hands without problems and doesn't have a horrible smell. So you put your design on the paper, face down, ink side down. It's also a good idea, again, to put a bit of masking tape on just to hold it in place, otherwise the rollers could push it as it goes under the press. So that's basically it. Just put a piece of card on top of that. And then we just basically push it through the mangle, the press. You can see the rollers are squeezing that nice and firm. You can go backwards and forwards a few times. Just make sure it's well pressed. And there you have it. So let's take that out and let's have a look. Gently lift this up. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? A nice print. I'll show you on the side cam. A nice print of a leaf. Like I say, so if you're artistic and you enjoy doing prints and that sort of creative stuff, this machine should be very useful for you. So that's its normal use, but now I'm going to show you how we can apply this machine to leatherwork. Okay, so that's how the machine is normally used, but as this is a leatherwork channel, I think I need to show you how to use it in leatherwork. So I've shown you previously how to emboss leather with other devices, but I think this would be actually ideal for embossing thinner leathers. So as always, I'll take a piece of leather. This is quite thin thin leather, sort of the sort of thickness you'd use for wallets and things. So as with all embossing, always moisten the leather first. So we just take some water, a little sponge, and just wet the leather until it darkens. See, that's changing colour. Just do the back as well. You can run it under the tap or whatever, but this is just all I've got to hand. So once the leather darkens, it's basically ready to use. So there's many things you can emboss onto leather, but the most simple thing to do is to buy a ready-made embossing folder. Now, you've probably seen these before. This is my little collection of embossing folders. Embossing folder is basically just a piece of plastic which has a positive and negative design molded into it. So if we just take this and put our leather into the folder like so, and just close it, and okay, so we've got our little piece of wet leather in the little embossing folder. We just put that on the platform. I'll put a little bit of card on just to protect the rollers, and we just basically roll that through. So if you find it's a bit too tight, there are two adjustment knobs on the top which will raise the rollers or lower them until you just starts to take it. It's probably a bit too loose, so down a fraction, just getting it just right, and we'll put it through the press. So you just roll it through, backs and forwards, and let's see how it's done. So there we go. Now, isn't that lovely? That's a beautiful piece of embossed leather. This is a nice letter design which I think works really well. So once that leather's dry, that'll firm up nicely again. You know, that lovely embossed pattern. So wasn't that simple? So there we go. That's the EZ Etching Press from CPL. Head across to their website, get further details, and to get yourself one. Very handy for leather work, but also useful if you're into all that arty stuff. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.